My name is Dr. Alan Arnold. I teach at the University of Central Oklahoma for the College of Business, and I'm in the finance department. I teach finance classes as well as insurance classes, and I'm very involved with the insurance program. The insurance and risk management major was originally the insurance major. And when I was hired in 2003, they told me that we'd had it for about 35 years. So we're about 47, 48 years in existence. At UCO, we have, again, a major that is finance - insurance risk management. We also have a minor in insurance. And that was developed so that students in the actual science program or in marketing or management that have an interest in going into the industry would be able to have a minor and be able to take the classes, for their career development. We also have a risk management minor. That's very heavily tied to a lot of finance majors, risk management from a more of a corporate, broader spectrum, rather than insurance, which is more focused on the insurance industry itself. In 2008, we pursued a contact with Gamma Iota Sigma. Gamma Iota Sigma is the International Risk Management, Insurance, and Actuarial Science Collegiate Fraternity. We were inducted in 2008. At that time, we were the 53rd chapter, the Beta Epsilon chapter. Now I believe there are in excess of 65 chapters internationally, and I say that because we have a chapter in Canada. And Gamma Iota Sigma is a great opportunity for students to, again, network, develop their career opportunities. We go to conference every October. Last October, we went to Chicago. There were over 550 students from over 36 colleges and universities, and included about 150 industry professionals. It is the largest career fair focused on the insurance industry, collegiate career fair. And we also go to a lot of sessions that talk about how to interact with people in the industry, how to develop resume skills, interview skills, things like that. I am always promoting the major in insurance risk management. And when I do, students ask me why, because generally speaking, most students are not interested in going into the insurance industry as a career opportunity. But as I tell them, it is a great place for a young person to go into the industry, to have a well-paying job, to have a lifelong career. They can raise their family and feel like they really are giving back to their clients and to the community. The insurance industry is facing several issues. First, the average age in the industry, from what I've been told, is in the mid to high 50s. And so we have a very graying insurance professionals industry, and we need to bring young people in. This creates a wonderful opportunity for students that will be able to come into the industry, be able to find their niche, find what interests them, and have tremendous advancement opportunities as the people exit the industry through retirement. So the opportunity now is probably better than it has been for decades. I get a lot of comments from people in the industry as I travel and as I'm involved with several associations locally, the CPCU, the RIMS, Independent Insurance Agents, NAFA, which is the National Association of Insurance and Financial Advisors. And they're always asking me, how do we bring more people in? How do we connect with them? And so I'm always promoting for them so that they can develop scholarships as an inducement to get students interested in the career path. Sponsorships, because again, I take students to many different areas, sometimes cross-country, sometimes fairly local. but there are costs involved with that. And then most specifically, internships. In my contact with professional associations, and I am actually a member, that means dues paying member, of the Independent Insurance Agents of Greater Oklahoma City, of RIMS, the Risk and Insurance Management Society, and of NAIFA, the National Association of Insurance and Financial Advisors here in Oklahoma City. And through that, I see a lot of different subcategories, a lot of different groupings that with the young insurance agents, and I think these are wonderful areas that people can get together and learn from each other and develop social networks within their career path. When the young risk professionals were brought to me as a concept, I immediately asked, what's the purpose, what's the need, why is this going to be important? And as soon as we got into the conversation, I recognized that young risk professionals is a broader category than simply insurance agents. It's a broader category than underwriters. It's a broader category than agency and gain claims. And I think it will give young people, young professionals, and one of the reasons I'm really encouraging my students to get engaged with this, opportunities to see what happens in other parts of the industry. Sometimes somebody is in a position that it claims at one company and they decide that it isn't a good fit, they want to make a change, and it's generally through their networking and associations that they find that there's an opening in a competitive company across town. Also, sometimes people get into a field, whether it's underwriting or claims or policy management, and then they decide they want to specialize in a different area. And I think the young risk professionals will provide an opportunity to have a broader effect and appeal to people within the insurance and risk management industry here in Oklahoma City.